So clicking on the video of our 2019 Easy Trail 510 grain cart. This cart was traded in from a guy in Arcadia, Wisconsin, which is, I'm here in La Crosse today, and that's about an hour away. Nice little cart, 18426 diamond tires, being as new as they are, as the cart is. The tires are in excellent shape. The paint pretty good for cart, and augers are the main issue, of course, like anything. And I didn't realize that they put a trough underneath the bottom of that door, so kind of hard to see. And get this here, and I think they look fine. Does have a tarp. Get you the serial plate here and our unit number. It's the serial plate. And that's our unit number. Alright, that's what I know about the Easy Trail. Thank you.